The Kali virtual machine files already extracted completely, and then if you check the content in the drive, yeah, so here you go. We have the two files. The first file is the VirtualBox VM file, and the VirtualBox virtual disk image. Okay, so I open the VirtualBox console. After that, add the virtual machine. We don't need to create because the virtual machine was created already. Just need to add. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we got this here. And then setting, we change the hardware setting, like the network, yeah, connect to the host only adapter. And then for the processor and memory, so 2048 Kali, okay. Then after that the processor, 2 virtual CPU, okay, yeah. So looks like okay, yeah. Okay, so click OK, then after that start the virtual machine. Yeah, powering the VM up takes a while. Okay, starting VirtualBox. Okay, so the virtual machine is booting. Yep, putting up the Kali. And kernel panic. Fatal exception. Okay, looks like we have problem. Okay, let's see what happened. Kali Linux. Okay, not like this. Yeah. So let me close this one first. Power off the machine. Okay, yeah. So in a setting, let me just have a look. Kali Linux Debian base is 248. Okay, then we don't have the this. Yeah. Okay, network connect to the host only adapter. Okay, so the this one is VirtualBox VDI. Okay, let's try to start again the VM. Okay, so start the Kali. Looks like okay, but I still don't know whether the VM can boot completely. Okay, yeah, looks good now. The Kali logo already display. Okay, so log on screen will be appearing soon. Yep, username Kali, and then the password also Kali. Okay, so we have it, and we're going to check the IP address and then test the connectivity to the store VM. Okay, open the terminal. run the command. IP address show, yeah, 102, yeah, 102. So update the okay. So that's 102, 103, 102 is the Kali, yeah. So ping 192.168.56.103 minus C3. Just three packet, yeah. Okay. Now we are going to use the host name, so we modify sudo, yeah. After that, nano /etc/host. Okay, password Kali. Okay, here you go, yeah. So you can put the IP address 192.168.56.103. Correct. This is IP address of the target pet store, yeah. www.petstore.net. Okay, so Control X, then yes. Okay. So now you check with the ping minus C3 www.petstore.net. Okay, so reply and we try to browse using the Firefox. Okay, http www.petstore.net. Okay, yeah, so successful. So this is how to prepare the environment for the pet store and a Kali. Yeah, this is the vulnerable web application target. Example, we do the SQL injection. Yeah, email address currently is an unregistered user. Yeah? So we use the SQL injection admin after that or 1=1 hashtag like this, yeah. So leave the password blank, log in. Now you see you already become the test user. So the SQL injection is exploited, yeah, by using the query just now. Okay, there will be many more to set up, yeah, but let's give you time to follow and then perform the setup. So at this moment we can conclude, yeah, like this. The pet store is this one, and then the KaliVM is this. Download from this, yeah. Okay, so pet store ISO, yeah. So www.petstore.net. Okay, yeah. Then after that, Kali. Okay, let me save. Then yeah, that's the preparation to install the pet store, and the Kali. The pet store is as a target, the Kali is as the attacker. Okay.